How to change the Hyper-V default folder to store virtual machines. Want to get the most out of your Hyper-V environment? Understanding how to configure its default folder is essential to boost performance, streamline management, and comply with organizational IT policies. We'll explain why and how in this video. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Hyper-V? Hyper-V is Microsoft's virtualization platform that allows you to run multiple virtual machines, VMs, on a single physical server. It is a Type 1 hypervisor that operates directly on the server hardware, delivering efficient performance, seamless integration with Microsoft tools, and support for both Windows and Linux environments. Why Hyper-V's default virtual machine storage location matters. By default, Hyper-V stores VM files, including virtual hard disks, VHDX, configuration files, and snapshots in C:/program data/Microsoft/Windows/Hyper-V on the host machine. Using the default storage path can lead to performance bottlenecks and limited disk space and may conflict with your organization's storage policies. But this isn't always ideal. Using the default storage path can cause limited disk space on the system drive, performance bottlenecks on slower or congested drives, and misalignment with organizational storage policies or security requirements. How to change the Hyper-V default folder to store virtual machines. If you want to change the default storage location for your VMs, follow these simple steps. First, open Hyper-V Manager, right-click the server name and select Settings. Under Storage, find and click Default Storage Location. Then browse to the new folder location and click OK. To confirm your actions, create a new VM and ensure it's stored in the updated location. Troubleshooting tips. Encountering issues? Here's what to check. Make sure you have administrative privileges. Verify the new path is correct and accessible. Confirm sufficient storage space is available, and don't forget to set the right permissions for the Hyper-V service account. Best practices for Hyper-V storage. Finally, to get the best performance and management experience, remember these best practices. Use high-speed drives like SSDs or RAID 10 arrays for VM storage. Implement storage tiering for cost efficiency. Centralize VM files to one directory to improve manageability. Avoid outdated technology like pass-through disks, which hinder backup software and are no longer necessary with modern VHDX formats. Ultimately, if you're thinking about updating your Hyper-V VM storage strategy, always keep security and scalability in mind. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing your Hyper-V default folder linked in the description below.